Hello, everyone. My name is Eloisa. I work at Croct's sales team, and today I'll be showing you how to use Croct's personalization platform to create dynamic user experience on your website without having to rely on developers. To aid your understanding today, I'll be using a very classic, frequent use case that we see a lot here at Croct that's basically regarding personalization based off of user persona. So hypothetically speaking, let's say that I'm a marketing professional, that I work at this company called Tax Tool, and that we sell an accounting software. I'm working with this website and I'm facing the current challenge in which I have to communicate with three different personas. I have to speak with accountants, freelancers, and customers. Given that I have only one website, I'm only able to use these very generic and vague communication that truly speak to no one. Considering these three personas have different pains and I would like to address my product in different ways, I would like for freelancers to access my website and see a title that says Accounting Software for Freelancers. I would like for customers to access my website and see a communication that says Introducing Tax Tool AI, which is a hypothetically new feature that I am launching and I would like them to take a look at. And I would like accountants to see a website that says Accounting Made Simple for Accountants. I know that it'd be completely inefficient for me to create three different pages for each one of these audiences. But with Croct, I'm able to have one unique URL that has the capability of identifying which persona is browsing your website at any given moment, and based off of that, show them the appropriate tailored variant of itself. So I could have accountants see this variant, customers see this other communication, and freelancers see this third variant of my website accessing the same URL. So how would this work behind the scenes? If this was the case, this is basically how Croct's interface would look like. I would have one general environment, which is an analytics. I can analyze and track user behavior and other browsing events. And over here in the personalization environment, I have three main concepts that I will go quickly through them. So in the audiences level, it's basically where I will specify different criteria that my users would have to meet to belong to certain audiences. So I could have audiences for returning leads, new leads, and the three main personas that I mentioned, customers, freelancers, and accountants. And the slots and the components levels are pretty correlated together. It's basically where I define which elements and areas of my site I would like to personalize or A/B test. In this case, we've implemented the home hero, the feature section, the pricing section, and the YS section. And last but not least, the levels of experiences, which is where I create all of these personalizations and I will tie all of these concepts together. So over here, as you can see, I have four current active personalizations running in my site. And each one of these personalizations have a unique dashboard for each one of them. So over here, if I access the personalization of my audiences of customers, I can see how many sessions I'm having, what are my conversion rates, and other relevant metrics without having to integrate with an analytics or a CTP. For me to configure an experience like this, I would have to do this in the settings tab. And it's pretty simple. Croct will provide to me a very intuitive step-by-step for me to follow. So over here, the first thing I did was tell Croct who am I making this personalization to. In this case is my audiences of customers. So this is the audience that I've selected. Over here in slots, you define which areas of your site you want this personalization to happen. In this case, I only selected the home hero, but I could have selected more slots if I wanted to. And on the content part, you're going to open up your slot and change whatever needs to be adjusted. In this case, I only adjusted my title and my description, but I could have changed other content attributes if I wanted to. As soon as I've done this, before publishing anything, I could open up a URL preview so that I can see exactly what my users that fit into these audiences will see as they access my website. And as soon as I share this URL preview and my team approves it, I can go ahead and publish this experience. And in real time, Croct will deliver this personalization to all of your audiences. So this is a little bit about how Croct works behind the scene. I hope this was easy to understand, but if there are any questions, feel free to contact me anytime. Thank you.